అఖిల భారత కార్యదర్శి. ఆయన అంతకుముందు ఎంపీగా చేశారు, ఫార్మర్ ఎంపీ. అలాగే కేరళ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మినిస్టర్గా కూడా ఆయన తెలియజేస్తున్నారు. పోలవరం ప్రాజెక్టుకు సంబంధించి పర్యటన వివరాలు తెలియజేస్తారు.
Dear friends, we have been getting reports about the very pathetic handling of the rehabilitation work related to thousands of families who are to be relocated because the place there where they have been living, that is getting submerged with the commencement of the Polavaram project. This project is a result of the Andhra bifurcation scheme, and people would naturally support a scheme like Polavaram, which would help irrigation, drinking water, electricity production and all that. But poor, hapless people, mostly over 80% of them are Adivasis. They have to be rehabilitated in a dignified manner. They are our brothers and sisters. Now what has happened is, their proper rehabilitation is not being done. CPIM State Committee brought this to our notice and suggested that we visit the places where these people are thrown into colonies. So, Rajya Sabha member and leader of CPIM in Rajya Sabha and a special invitee to the Central Committee, Comrade Dr. John Brittas, is now parallelly travelling in the Polavaram segment. And along with Comrade Loganathan and other leaders, since morning we have been visiting various colonies. And I am sure you also are witness to the plight of the people living there. If a rain happens, their rooms would be full of water. It's not properly plastered. And some houses, they have put tarpaulin over the building. Then no proper water supply is there, proper sanitation is not there. Then toilets are in pathetic shape. Over and above, for these people to live, they have to have some work. They have to travel 30 to 40 kilometers every day to undertake some manual labor so that they will get some pittance for their survival. Public health center is there, primary health center is there. Somehow it is being managed. It's not done in a model manner, but still it is functioning. One school is there. I think 3 or 4 teachers are there, but proper facilities for a primary school, that is also not available. There are many houses which are constructed partially because the money that is to be given is not being given. Over 10 houses are half done or less than half done. We understand that there is some corruption also happening. The money being suggested for the rehabilitation project, part of it is being taken away by, one has to inquire and find out. This is very, very deplorable. After having studied the entire situation, we would be representing to the authorities as to how the problems of the people who are supposed to have been rehabilitated as a result of the Polavaram project, how their human rights are to be protected. That is the very, very deplorable condition in which they are living. After having had proper consultation, We may even think about taking up their issue and organizing some agitation. If the state government is not doing, if they are not going to do what they should do, we may even think about organizing some agitation in order to protect the rights of those who are supposed to have been rehabilitated.